Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got the finished product of the Qian Hui model of the Dome Mastergrade 1100. So this is a very easy kit to build, and I finished it about 3 hours. And this kit is really nice. The plastic quality is very light. To be honest, it's good, but it's light in weight. So I thought that this kit would be a very heavy kit because of this gun, but even the gun is very light. So I can compare the plastic material with the Jida, which I already reviewed for about twice since I made the Jida Amorore and the Jida regular. So they are of the same plastic quality. So even though this Qian Hui model of the dome is large in appearance, the plastic weight of this is even lighter with the Jida. I don't know why. Even if this cannon here is large and taller than the kit, it's still light compared with the Jida. So actually they're seems almost the same weight like that. So the plastic is not that hard, but at first I thought it's a brittle kind of plastic, but no, it's much better compared with the Dominant Titan, the bigger one I built last year, the one I said that's a bit hand grenade. The plastic are brittle, although they have the same quality, but that's much brittle compared with this one. Okay, so the appearance, of course, let's remove the gun. So the appearance here of this kit is really superb compared with the Bandai model. So of course Bandai is different from this one, so it's unfair to say that this is much better. But in terms of design, I much like the design of this Qian Hui model because of those silver parts, silver colored parts, and the accents, the additional accents included here, especially here the booster, those verniers, 5 verniers to be honest here, and this is, imagine how fast this shit can go in the battlefield. So I clearly remember that this one doesn't walk or run, it hovers just like the Gundam Leopard in the X Gundam. So imagine if it has this kind of 5 booster here, so this amazingly fast. I don't know if the original, the Bandai one, has this booster here underneath and this one, so just tell me, because I haven't got the Bandai version of this yet, and the P Bandai version is not yet coming as of this recording. So there we go, I can compare it with the Bandai model. So but for me, the appearance, I will just compare it with the appearance from Bandai. This is much better compared with the Bandai model because of this details. The details are superb, it's crisp, and more the highlight of this silver sprayed plastic here are all superb. It's not flat compared with the Bandai with too much too much bland and plain, very plain surfaces of the legs. Makes it actually it's an anime accurate model, but if I'm going to rate it or compare it with this one, that's very bland. This one I much like this design, or this looks cooler than the Bandai. Okay. So there we go. We got only 2 accessories for this. So we got this very exaggerated cannon compared with the real one from the Mastergrade Bandai version. So this one is very cool. So as you can see, it got so many parts compared with this one. Actually, this one doesn't contain so little parts, but this one, it got so many little parts. So I think the company focus on this cannon here. So there we go. This cannon is very tall compared with the kit itself. As you can see, it's very tall, but honestly, this is lighter. This is very light, even though it looks heavy because of those parts, those color separated pieces here. This is very light. Yes, this is very light. And the other one accessory here is this heat saber. Okay, so this is being attached here on the clamp at the back. So it's very simple. I just wish they did something nice with this rod here, this rod stick. They modified it further instead of this very boring lightsaber thing. So it's like, you know, it's just like an arnis stick like that, the arnis. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. So okay, let's go with the articulation. So the articulation here for the head, it can rotate from side to side, can move up a bit and move down like that. So it barely moves, to be honest. And for the shoulders, it can rotate. These are ball jointed. Okay, and it can move inward like that, up to that far, and move outward like that. Okay, so you can raise up to this far, and the shoulders or the elbows can bend up to 180 degrees like that. Okay, so very nice. As you can see, those design there, the silver, this accents for the surface is very nice. The hands are the traditional articulated fingers like that, and it can rotate like that. It's connected in ball joint. Very cool. This is what I like with the dome, this kind of large hands. And for the front skirt, the front skirt can move, barely move like that. Side skirts can barely move also, and the back skirt doesn't move at all. Okay, so we got the verniers underneath the back skirt, the back flap. Okay, so there we go. The legs can kick up to this far there, so provided that it has those sliding hinge there. Okay, it can kick up to that far, and it can also rotate like that here on the thigh. And for the knees, it can bend, double jointed, but you cannot appreciate those bend because of those armor pieces here, and the bulky sheen here cannot appreciate that. Okay, but it has this armor separating gimmick on the knees like that. Okay, so there we go. We got this extra thrusters on the back of the leg, and it can barely move also. Even though it's connected with hinge, it can barely move because of those armor pieces clamping or sandwiching the booster pack here For the feet, this very gigantic feet, yes, it's connected with ball joints, and there it can barely move. Oops, there can barely move, but can do side to side movement, can do a bit plantar extend and plantar flex like that, but due to the structure, of course, this hinders this sheen armors here, hinders the movement of the feet. Anyway, as I said before, this kit doesn't walk or run. It just hover on the land and jump with the help of these thrusters. Okay, so good thing I didn't buy the band model of this, the three pieces of this, because I much like this design compared with the Bandai and even the band copy. I much like this Qian Hui model. So this is a must buy. I'm telling you, this is a must buy. It's very easy, it's very beginner friendly. The plastic quality is superb, although there's a minimal mold mark, especially on the black parts. But for those purple parts, you cannot see any mold marks, which is very good. And most parts here are undergated, so those nub marks are not visible in majority of the surface. Okay, so I didn't sand anything from the joints, especially for the legs, the knees, and elbow. So I am guaranteeing you that this kit has a good fit. So I didn't sand anything at all on this kit. Everything fits nicely. Everything is smooth on assembling process. So I didn't encounter any problems for this. Compared with this Jida model here, Jida model has more issue compared with this one, because of the tight joints for the Jida. I know this one, the Ray, is better compared with the early release, so they fix all the issues from this part. But still, I sand some joints for this kit to make it glide smoothly. Those joints can glide smoothly, but this is perfect. This Qian Hui model here is perfect. I didn't sand anything here. Everything is fitting fine. Okay, so there's a pilot figure also. That's the cons of this kit is you cannot see the pilot figure. So this one doesn't open. So this is a fixed door for the torso. So even though there's a pilot figure, there's no way to open anything on the torso. So that's it. You cannot appreciate it. So that's very bad for this. You cannot open this torso. I wish they did some torso opening gimmick here to make it more superb. But overall, this kit is 100% fine and a must buy. So just buy this kit and be happy. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care. This kit is a must buy. Please buy this kit. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Goodbye.